The great mystery of life, death, and the heavens. The hidden design of the universe. First, you must understand this truth. Humanity is not alone. Across the vastness of the cosmos dwell many races of beings. Some are as backward and dangerous as we are, trapped in violence and fear. Others are spiritually and technologically advanced, living in peace beyond the need for war. The universe itself is ordered this way by design. Warlike worlds such as ours are placed in isolation, kept far apart in pockets of space. This is not punishment, but protection. Protection for us, until we grow into wisdom, and protection for them, lest our conquering nature threaten their peace. Those advanced races have formed a great community, a federation of worlds, bound not by conquest, but by trade and mutual support. Their societies are built on exchange, on harmony, on cooperation. They have no need of armies, for war has no place among them. Their strength lies in unity, not division.
We too could join them one day.
But this will not happen until we cast aside hatred and war, until we rise spiritually and prove ourselves ready to walk among them. Until that day, we are kept in ignorance of their full existence, watched from afar, monitored carefully, but never allowed to join.
This is the hidden order of the universe.
The vessels of the Watchers. At times their ships come near, and some we glimpse as what we call UFOs. These vessels are as real as the cars we drive, though fashioned with knowledge far beyond ours. Like all things made, they are not infallible, and so it is possible for them to falter, to crash, and for fragments to be recovered by us. But this is only one part of the mystery. For not all vessels belong to the galactic community of flesh and blood. There is another kind of visitor, one that does not come from within this universe at all. These are the ships of the higher realm, belonging to the angels, the vessels of heaven. These heavenly vessels are not made of mere matter. They are of spirit, vibrating at a higher frequency of existence, just as your soul does. In life, your spirit is bound to your body, contained by its electric field, invisible to human eyes. When death comes, the body falls and your soul is set free. Then you may behold the angels and their vessels, for you will be of their vibration, and they will come for you. At times, even the living may glimpse them, bright lights, radiant forms shimmering on the edge of sight. Instruments may detect their glow, but no weapon forged by man can touch them, for they are not of this plane. We have never shot down, captured, nor recovered a vessel of heaven, for it is not possible. They come and go as they will, unseen except when they choose to reveal themselves. And their purpose is not conquest, but gathering. They come for souls, to collect the departed and carry them home to the spirit realm beyond this universe. The spirit. For beyond this universe, beyond all galaxies and stars, lies the true home of the soul, the spirit realm. This universe is but a bubble, a temporary classroom within eternity. The spirit realm is the greater reality, eternal and unending. In the order of existence, beings of higher vibration may descend into the lower planes, but those bound in the lower cannot ascend until released from flesh. Thus angels may walk among us, but we cannot walk among them until death sets us free. This is why the UFO mystery is so difficult to comprehend, for it is not one mystery, but two. The mystery of alien civilizations within this universe, and the mystery of angels who dwell beyond it. The lower realm, hell. As there is a higher realm, so too there is a lower beneath our plane, vibrating at a frequency farther from God's light, lies the place we call hell. Here dwell the demons, corrupted spirits bound in darkness. They cannot seize us nor harm us in flesh. But if we open the door, they may whisper. This is the danger of seances, Ouija boards and necromancy. They do not summon the blessed dead, but open channels to the pit. Those who answer are deceivers, not loved ones. Thus man must beware, for though the higher can come down in light, the lower can creep upward in shadow, but only when invited. The law of rebirth. Now understand the law of the soul. Life is immortal, the spirit cannot die. For it is breathed from God Himself. Though the body perishes, the soul is clothed anew, living life again and again, rising or falling according to its choices. This is the law of reincarnation. The good soul, filled with love, ascends. It is reborn in a higher existence, on worlds where peace reigns and hatred is no more. The balanced soul, equal in good and evil, returns to this earth to walk the path again. The wicked soul descends,
reborn into a lower plane where darkness and suffering prevail. Thus the great ladder of eternity stretches on. Rung by rung, souls climb upward toward light, or fall downward into shadow, each life the measure of the next. This is the justice of God, the working of karma, the eternal cycle ordained until the end of time. The final mystery. And what comes after the end of time, when God's plan is fulfilled, that no one can say, not angel, not prophet, not saint. That mystery belongs to God alone. But of this you may be certain, life is eternal. The soul cannot perish. And the path you walk today shapes the place you awaken, therefore. Live wisely, live with love, reject the voices of the pit. Listen for the voice of God, for when death comes, the angels in radiant ships will come for you, and you will be carried to the home that lies beyond the stars. This is the truth of the universe. There are worlds of flesh, united in peace through trade. There are watchers who wait for us to mature. There are angels who come in light to gather souls. There are demons who dwell below and whisper deceit. And above all, there is God, who holds all planes of existence in his hand. Walk in faith, and you will not be lost.